Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The Best Short Stools is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving furniture pieces you can add to your home, offering a convenient perch for quick tasks, a stylish accent, or even extra seating when guests arrive. Whether you're looking for a compact solution for your kitchen island, a functional addition to your entryway, or a decorative element for your living room, the right short stool can make a significant difference in both the aesthetics and practicality of your space. We've scoured the market to find the top contenders that balance style, durability, and affordability, ensuring you get the most value for your money. Number 5. Squatty Potty Simple Curve 7 Toilet Stool. Our bodies are designed to perform more efficiently when we squat. This stool helps you reduce strain and time spent on the toilet for a better experience. Recommended by doctors, it repositions your body into a squatting posture. This loosens a key muscle, allowing for more efficient elimination and helping you poop better. Made of sturdy plastic, it's designed to work with standard toilets. It features clean lines and is built with functionality in mind. Using it is straightforward. Sit on the toilet, place your feet on the step, and allow your body to naturally position itself for comfort. Keeping it clean is simple. You can use soap and water or your preferred bathroom cleaner for convenient maintenance and hygiene. What we like? This stool is designed for optimal bathroom ergonomics. Its simple curve and sturdy plastic construction make it a reliable choice for everyday use. If you're looking for a straightforward, easy-to-clean solution to improve your bathroom experience, this is the one for you. What people say. The stool is very sturdy and can hold a lot of weight. The stool is the perfect height for my needs and is very comfortable to sit on. The stool is easy to assemble and requires no tools. Number 4. Squatty Potty Adjustable 2.0 Toilet Stool. Human bodies are designed to perform more efficiently when we squat instead of sit. This stool helps you reduce strain and time spent on the toilet for a better experience. It's doctor recommended to reposition your body into a squatting position. This loosens a key muscle for a more efficient elimination and helps you poop better. You can control the stool's height to suit your needs. Add or remove the included topper to find the perfect height for each person's preference. This sturdy stool works with most standard toilets. It's designed to fit toilets sized from 14 to 16 inches from the floor to the top of the seat. Simply place your feet on the step and go. Your body will naturally be in a squatting position. Cleaning is easy with a damp cloth and your favorite cleaner. This versatile stool is suitable for both adults and children. Its adjustable design ensures comfort and efficiency for the whole family. What we like? This stool offers customizable height options to suit everyone in the family. With its adjustable design and removable topper, it provides a personalized experience. If you need a versatile stool that can be adapted for different users, from adults to children, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The stool is very sturdy and can hold a lot of weight. It's the perfect height for my needs and fits well in my small space. The design is simple yet elegant, and it looks great in my living room. Number 3. Boreeman Upgraded Folding Stool, Blue. Introducing the Boreeman Upgraded Folding Stool, designed for your adventures. It's lightweight yet incredibly sturdy, ready for any outdoor activity. Engineered with a patented fish scale structure and reinforced materials, this stool boasts a remarkable load capacity of 400 pounds. Its enhanced side support offers superior stability compared to other brands. Weighing just 2.54 pounds and featuring an adjustable strap, it's easy to take anywhere. Perfect for camping, fishing, hiking, or even relaxing at home. Thanks to its precise design, you can extend and collapse it smoothly in just seconds. Adjust it to your perfect height, from 2.56 to 17.72 inches, with 12 available positions. Designed with snap joints, it stays securely closed when not in use, preventing accidental opening. This makes it even more convenient for your travels. We stand by our product with a 1-year warranty. If you have any questions or issues, please reach out to us directly for a quick and satisfactory solution. What we like? This stool is incredibly portable and can be adjusted to various heights, making it perfect for on-the-go use. Its robust construction can support up to 400 pounds, ensuring stability wherever you are. If you enjoy outdoor activities like camping or fishing and need a reliable, lightweight seat, this is your ideal companion. What people say. The stool is very sturdy and well made. It's the perfect height for my needs. The design is simple yet elegant, and it fits well with my decor. Number 2. Studico ActiveChairs Kids Wobble Stool. This active sitting stool is designed to help children improve their posture by engaging core muscles. It supports healthy back development and helps prevent slouching throughout the day. Perfect for energetic kids, it allows for movement while seated, which can aid concentration and focus. It's an ideal solution for classroom seating needs. The soft, cushioned top provides comfort during extended sitting periods. Kids can wiggle and move safely without the risk of tipping over. Featuring a non-slip rubberized bottom, it remains stable and safe, encouraging movement while preventing accidental slips. This supports active sitting for children. Constructed from sturdy plastic, it's lightweight and easy to move around. It's also simple to wipe clean, making it suitable for daily use at home or in school. What we like. This stool is designed to encourage movement and improve focus for children. Its flexible seating promotes better posture and helps energetic kids stay engaged. If you're looking for a way to support your child's concentration and physical development in a classroom or home setting, this active stool is a great option. What people say. It has really helped him with staying seated for his Zoom classes, while still being able to get his wiggles out. It tucks under my son's desk just like a chair. The design of the Wobble stool encourages active sitting, allowing my children to move naturally while staying engaged. Number 1. HYLONE Tall Mesh Drafting Chair. Introducing the HYLONE Tall Mesh Drafting Chair, designed to elevate your workday. Experience unparalleled comfort and support, no matter your task. Its innovative flip-up arms allow you to get closer to your desk, promoting a healthy sitting posture. Say goodbye to shoulder and neck strain. This chair features a height-adjustable footrest, perfect for standing desks, sit-to-stand desks, and bar tables. It ensures comfort and reduces leg pressure. With BIFMA-tested controls, you can easily adjust the height, seat tilt, and tension. Its ergonomic back and lumbar support protect your spine. Stay cool and comfortable all day long thanks to the breathable mesh back. It promotes airflow and provides excellent support. Designed for elevated work surfaces, this chair offers comfortable seating at various heights. It's ideal for drafting tables and standing desks. Built with quality materials and a sturdy frame, this chair ensures long-lasting performance and stability. Enjoy reliable daily use in any workspace. What we like. This chair is built for comfort and versatility at elevated workstations. The adjustable footrest and flip-up arms allow for a customized and ergonomic sitting experience. If you work at a standing desk or drafting table and need a supportive, comfortable chair that promotes good posture, this is the perfect fit. What people say. The stool is very sturdy and can hold a good amount of weight. The design is simple and elegant, it fits well with my home decor. It's lightweight and easy to move around, perfect for small spaces. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.